not gonna lie, I'm leaning towards H&M more for this fall, but I still found some pretty items like this one from Zara, so let's dive into it. So obviously the first item I want to show you is this burgundy, how can I call the halter neck style dress. I got size small, my usual size, and I would say it runs true to size, slightly small or maybe slightly long. I'm not sure. I mean, I'm 5'2", 157 centimeter, so I have obviously a little bit shorter torso and shorter legs in general, so it's fitting me pretty a little bit long, but it is also like lower waist. Like low waistline is a little bit too low, I think. It's supposed to be a little bit up like here. So, you know, that's one thing to consider while you're watching my video. Ooh, I left some stuff here. You're gonna see why it's here in a second. But yeah, you can stick to your usual size regardless of your height as well as the shape of the body, in my opinion. Or maybe if you're taller ladies, also has a little bit more hourglass figure, then you might want to size up to make sure there is enough fabric around your chest as well for the length. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's beautiful burgundy. Let's move on to the next item. Before we are going into the video, I wanted to show you a couple of things from Merit holiday kit. Not one, but two. So if you haven't heard of Merit, they are clean, vegan, non-comedogenic makeup brand. Oh, actually they also have a skincare. I never used the moisturizer, that's new one. But the serum, it is perfect one for I think all skin type. But anyhow, today I want to talk about these two. First, I will start with the lipstick. These are full-size three color combo. Middle one is the one I'm wearing called Black Tie. It's a lightweight matte lipstick. And I'm gonna show you how these other two fits as well. Anyhow, and this one is called Du Jour. But it's a lightweight lip blush. What does a lip blush mean? Oh, so this one is a limited edition shade and finish. So it's a little different texture. From looks wise, it's kind of hard to tell, but yeah. You're gonna see how it is on my face. And now I wanted to talk about these girls. These are mini blush combo. This is a Stockholm, I think one of their popular color, as well as Mood. Sorry, Mood is darker one, which I am wearing. And because it's so lightweight, although it is golden like packaging, it's really light. It's perfect one for travel as well. I will show you how these other two will fit on my face. And this blush, it is vitamin E enriched, so it's great for your skin as well. It's moisturizing. And for the casual day, they'll suggest the combination with Stockholm and Du Jour. So these are a little bit more lighter tone, and yeah, for both, so it's not gonna stand out too much. So I would even say if you have a little bit more darker eye makeup, then you can tone down with the lip color and blush color. So it can be for casual day or when you have a little bit more strong eye makeup. And for dressing up or going out days, they suggest Mood and a Black Tie. So these are the most darker colors, so you can bring out a little bit more mysterious, sexy vibe with it. And of course, everything in between would be literally in between shades, which is bespoke for both shade. So bespoke, it is a limited edition color from last holiday season 2023. So they decided to bring it back. If you missed it out, this is the time for you to get it. This is your second opportunity. It is a beautiful autumn winter shade, great for night, day and night, night and day. I will say all colors are beautiful for night and day. So I mean, these holiday kit is like a perfect curation if you're looking for something that is a little bit more neutral tone and of course clean makeup. And if you're interested, you can of course go on Sephora, but if you buy directly from Merit from the link in the description box, you get this signature bag for the first order complimentary, and $45 and more offers free shipping. So this is a great time for you to grab these. It is truly beautiful items. I talked quite a bit. Let's move back to Zara try-on haul. Alright, so this is the next item. It's a black SKORT. It's actually available in white as well. I got size small, I believe. Yes, It runs true to size. It is very high-waisted, especially if you're short ladies. And from back, it is actually like SKORT, like proper SKORT in a sense. So it's not like it's hidden SKORT lining, but from back it is short. And there's a slit. It is nice, it's really comfortable, but for my liking it's a little bit too high. I would say if you're looking for really like ultra high, then this is the one for you. But if you're looking for a little bit more mid-waist, then this is not it. But anyhow, we are moving on to the next item, which is the one you are looking already. It's an off-shoulder khaki knit. I got size small, my usual size. There's nothing to complain. It is off-shoulder, so it goes up. If you're wondering, this is a little bit more on the thinner side, so I'm not wearing bras. It is a little bit visible. It's not the color that's visible, it is the shape that's visible if this goes up. So that's one thing to keep it in mind, but otherwise, you know, it's just a regular off-shoulder knit, nothing to complain. We are moving on to the next item already. It's like a bim bim bim, bam bam bam. Next item, it is a gray, light gray, like silver thread skirt of a short. This is like a in between, but I'll call this skirt because from front it does look like a skirt. In terms of this sizing, I will still stick to usual size. It is nice and comfortable in this way, and also keeps it kind of like a mid-waist. It is nice, but if you have like specifically small, like wanted to do high waist and small waist, then probably you can size down. If you have kind of rectangle body shape or nothing too prominent width for your bum bum. I have rectangle body shape. My measurements are down in the description box as well. But yeah, this is, I'll still stick to usual size. There's nothing to complain. This one, it does work, but I mean, like, you know, you don't really need to unbutton it. Yeah. And you might be able to tell there is a matching blazer. Now, I probably should change the top because off shoulder and then blazer does not go well. If you know, you know. But I will try over this anyways. No, I don't think so. But we'll see. So if you want to pair like this is gonna turn into your scarf. But in terms of the sizing, I got size small, my usual size, runs true to size. I don't think you want to do oversized look with this cropped shoulder padded blazer. So I will say again, stick to usual size with this fine knit. It is still kind of tiny, but I have this issue around my like, shoulder or like arm are a little bit thick compared to the rest of my body, I think. I think that's another reason. It feels a little bit tight, but it's not uncomfortably tight. I don't think it's gonna rip with the movement, so it's good. Let me show you without this in a bit, but this is how it fits with, you know, something underneath. So right now I'm not wearing anything underneath. Obviously you can wear some white t-shirt or something a little different, like probably it's better this way, like without anything busy going on here. So just for the reference, it's quickly showing you. Yeah, this is actually really cute setup, and you can pair it with like a chunky loafer with like a black, yes, I'm barefoot, like a knee-high socks or like a knee-high stocking socks, if that makes sense, or slingbacks, boots, and of course, if you just like tops, go for it. You can pair it with the jeans, trousers, like in many different ways. But might as well get this combination because it's really cute. Now we are moving on to mini coat try on haul. Initially, I think if you watch previous video, you're gonna know, I was supposed to make separate videos. However, Zara messed up my order and something happened with the labels, this and that. So I'm not receiving part of my order. Haven't heard back from them for more than 48 business hours. That's more than a week. So, oh well, that's fine. But anyhow, this one, it has a hoodie on. I got size extra small, which is my usual size when it comes to oversized jacket or coat. So in a way, my usual size, but if I say, you know, my usual t-shirts and bottoms are usually small. As you can see, it is very oversized, very warm. It says water repellent, so if you live in somewhere that rains a little bit more or snows a little bit, this might be a great one. But keep it in mind, it is like a, you know, it's kind of a weird length. It could be shorter, could be longer. For me, it is just right like middle of my thighs. So yeah, that's how it fits. But it feels nice. It's very lightweight. But if you have access to Uniqlo, I feel like Uniqlo would have a lot better ones. Or it might not be better, but cheaper. To me, that automatically make it better. But yeah. Next up, we have another size extra small. It's a full leather jacket. Ooh, it's big. Oh my god. At this point, I feel like you can just buy it from men's section extra small and you're gonna get this effect. I got size extra small once again, but I like the length of it. It's not too long and it has a little bit of like almost like cinch in going on. I don't feel too gigantic. It's not boxy fit. Yeah, but I mean, I'll show you how it fits when it's closed. Oh, zipper is smooth. How do you do, ladies? Like, do you wear something like this to embrace the oversizedness? I just feel like I'm all torso now. Not it for me, but if you're taller ladies, I think it's really cool. It's like, you know, I don't know, but I think, yeah, if you're taller ladies or if you're into like a very, very oversized jacket, this would be the one. It is cool. It has like a washed off dark gray jacket vibe. It is like a vintage vibe. Next up, once again, it is size extra small. It's a full leather jacket. I think this one is a very dark brown as well. This is more like it. It's getting shorter, getting less boxy. Yeah, this I give 7 out of 10. Honestly, the one I have from Princess Polly is, I'll show you in a bit. It's really spot on. But this is actually pretty. I like how the cuff is going. There's a button, so it's like almost like a jacket, but it's still jacket. Let's see. Zipper is smooth. I'm not sure. I didn't see dark brown in person, but this black is giving me a little bit of a garbage bag. I don't know if you can tell that, but I love the shape. I love how dropped shoulder it is, how it's been cut. There's a little bit of a cut, a little design going on. Yeah, it's cute. This one, petite approved. Before we are moving on to one last item, this is the jacket I was talking about, Princess Polly. I'm usually size US 4, but I have this size down to size US 2. It has a collar, which I love. You know, it feels like nice, really cute. And if I'm correct, it's available in Burgundy. Maybe it's sold out because it's really popular now. This is my heavy rotation fall winter jacket last year. Yes, I live in Toronto, but I still wear this in the winter. My internal temperature is really high. But anyhow, we are moving on to one last item. It's a black coat. I might have to change the camera angle. I'll see. Yeah, this one, not bad at all. I got size extra small, size down. Again, if you're taller ladies looking for this type of fit, probably you can stick to usual size because you're gonna have a little bit more vertical line, right? Horizontal? No, vertical line. So I think it balances out like perfectly, but because I am short, I probably have I have to compensate with this a little bit more narrower line. Yeah, in terms of like a fabric, it's like a proper, you know, winter jacket look. It's not wool, it's like a felt type of material, and if you like, you can like cinch in the wrist line a little bit. There's an extra button that you can adjust. And yeah, it's like a perfect, nothing to complain, black jacket, black coat. Of course, if you're looking for something like not too structured coat, I am personally looking for black coat that is slightly more structured. In a way, it is structured. It has like a sharp line here and that, but like the shoulder part, it is just drop shoulder. So you know, it's really up to what you're looking for, but it is nice. So it is 60 euro, meaning what, $100? Okay, adjusted angle. This is a full length. It's not dragging on the floor. It is just right around my ankle. So if you are wearing, you know, midi dress, I think it'd still be nice. Or maxi dress like this, which I don't mind it, personally. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss out any of my future video like this one. And then thank you so much for watching till the end. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Anyhow, I will let you go and I hope you have a great rest of the day.